Hey guys, welcome back to Auto Repair, guys. Our mission here at the garage is to save you guys as much money as we can. That's why we make these absolutely free videos, guys. Let's go ahead and start on it now. Today we'll show you how to remove a front door panel on a Volkswagen Golf Jetta MK5 from 2005 all the way until 2010, guys. So stay with us, don't forget to subscribe, give us a like. We have many videos and many more to come. Our main channel, don't forget to check it out. We have that Scion build and we have a Fiesta ST as well, and it's growing crazy fast. So in order to remove the door panel now, in our case it won't be even as easy because we cannot open the door all the way because it's hitting on the cables right there, you can see. But what you need to do now, so in order to remove the door panel, guys, right there we need to remove that screw in the top corner, you can see, with a T2. Okay, you see that start looking big. Okay, T20, that's what we're using. We have that one there, and also we have underneath more. Okay, let me show you right there. We have more that we need to remove. So we have a total of 3 screws on the bottom of the door panel. Okay, second one is coming out. And now a third one. Almost there. Okay. Right there with a prying tool, you need to remove that cap, and there is a couple more bigger screws there, bolts. Okay, so you need to pop this one loose. Okay, almost there. This one is stuck pretty good. It hasn't been removed. Okay, that's what it looks like. Okay, and after that we need a T30, a little bit bigger too. And there is 2 that we need to remove. Okay, one is out, and now the second one. And be careful not to drop this one in, because when you remove the panel it's fine, but when you install it, it will fall in and you'll have to remove the panel again to get to it. Okay, so those are actually bolts. And now we have clips that we need to remove. If we use a prying tool like that, it's super easy. You can just start on one side first. And even if you grab with your fingers like that, guys, okay, it will start coming out. You don't even need to use a prying tool for that, but it will help you if you have one. Okay, like that. Okay, and a couple more on the other side. And now it will come up, and the wires are very short, so be careful not to damage anything. So it's stuck pretty good, but it will come loose. Okay, you have to go slow and pull it out of the groove. And now it's the wires, guys. That's the you need to unhook the locking system first. Okay, right there. You just pull it out, and you need to go ahead and do all the wirings now. Once we unhook everything, I'll show you how it is, because it's almost impossible to show you right now. Okay, and that's the door panel out of there now. So now let us show you exactly where the wires are. This one, you just press down right here and pull it out. This one is the same way, that blue one. The other one, all we have to do is just squeeze those 2 things and pull out at the same time. And if you have a clip left, like we have one right here, what you need to do right here, you need to grab this piece, okay, and you need to pull it out of the outer piece. So you need to install that one on the door panel. Okay, like that. You can see it comes out. Okay. And this is the door panel, guys. So that's the whole procedure. So guys, hopefully the video was helpful. If you have any questions, don't hesitate to let us know. Now check out our YouTube channels, guys. We have more than 19,000 free repair videos that can save you thousands of dollars in future repairs. That's why we make these absolutely free videos. Hopefully the video will be helpful. Thank you for watching. See you guys next time.